The best lobster roll ever.
Don't say end. The best lobster rolls ever. We are the best.
And that's it.
And that's the one, guys. Look at it. Make your own.
And
And that's it, yes. And Chef Luca,
Chef Luca.
Chef Srikant.
lobster rolls. The best one. We are the best.
We are the best.
Yes, we are the best.
Make it nice. And for the ingredient, we will do the really traditional version, nothing crazy but unbelievable. What you don't want to overpower your main product, the lobster. Why you spend so much money for nothing? You know what I mean? Very important, very nice. And about those baby. Normally, for the lobster roll, they use the Maine lobster. Maine, it's attached to Boston, that is the capital of the lobster roll. Today, we will use Canadian lobster. Of course, we cannot have the Maine one. But don't choose something like rock lobster or lobster that have the meat really soft. We want texture, we want structure. That's it, guys. And don't forget to remove those things before you cook. This plastic smells shit, smell carabao. And you don't wanna waste and flavor your beautiful and expensive lobster with something like that.
Esto va a estar de pinga.
And don't forget to put them in the fridge 15 minutes before you kill them. Like this, they sleep a little bit, you know, it's the best way to let them suffer a little bit less. And you can boil them, you can steam them. Of course, I suggest you to steam them. If you wanna boil them, please soft boil, not overboil, because the meat of the lobster overcook really easily. And who is using to cook them with this plastic ribbon around the scale? I don't trust them. Timing when you cook the lobster, of course, if you boil it or you steam. Steam take a little bit longer. I suggest I use a lobster of 600-700 gram. I think I will cook it around 6-7 minutes max. Double check, please, and don't overcook an expensive product.
And that's it.
And the bun. Look at that. The most important part, apart the lobster, of this dish need to be a brioche bun, and need to be something like that that is called lobster roll. Of course, this is homemade. You can buy, but buy a good one. Unbelievable. And here, Chef Luca will introduce us to these beautiful and simple ingredients. Yes. Yes.
First one is chives.
Or maybe you go more, you keep it on the side of you.
Not first one also, chives.
Yeah.
Fresh chives. Only chives.
chives. Fresh chives.
Fresh chives.
We don't want garlic, we don't want onion, we want a delicate flavor.
Celery stick.
About the celery, what you want, something crunchy. You know, everything will be soft, but you need something crunchy. Celery is the best for that. What you want at the end? Final product need to be soft, chewy, juicy, crunchy. All of them, all together.
Lemon. Lemon.
For the lemon, we use the skin, but we use the juice as well.
Mayonnaise. And the babies.
The babies.
And the bread.
Okay.
And don't forget the butter, salt and pepper. First, we need to kill the lobster.
That means you see this part, yeah, this one. What we do, we put the knife here and we go down. Easy. Yeah.
Done.
No.
We kill the lobster. We will show you how to do it. And then we put in the steamer.
And the lobster we take out from the oven, or if you have from the boiling water, wherever it is, we need absolutely and fast submerge in ice waters to stop the cooking time. And after cool down, time to clean our lobster. And we will show you how, Remember, this part is the most important of this dish, because on this part is where is the flavor. Before we twist the head to remove the tail. Yeah, after we crush the tail, we remove the meat, and after we open the clap clap. And of course, this is coming from Amazon, as usual. And time to cut this baby. Remember, we don't want a super small piece, you want texture. And you want still feel the lobster when we mix it with the mayo and the rest. Pieces like that, you know what I mean. And time for our final mix.
We'll mix the lobster with some celery, chives, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and the mayo. And that's it.
Be careful with that. It's not that I will tell you how much, it's up to you, but the lobster roll needs to be balanced. That means not extremely too much mayo, otherwise you cover the lobster, not extremely too much lemon or lemon juice, because otherwise the sourness is too extreme. Balance yourself, please. And that's it. You see that? You want a nice, creamy, juicy, but still you can see the lobster and you will taste the lobster. That's it. And of course, test a little bit before you finish your lobster roll. Perfect.
For the bread, be generous with the butter because it's fine.
For our bread, Be generous with the butter. We apply this side. We want the butter penetrate a little bit and make it nice and juicy. And the surface really nice and crispy. That's the secret. And what I like to do with the butter is brown part in a pan on the side to finish up our lobster roll. That's another secret. I'm the best. And look at that, guys. That is what we want. Unbelievable. Soft, warm, toasted and crisp outside. That's the one. For our bread, when it's ready, cut vertical in the middle. Very important, very nice. And look at that, the best lobster, the best lobster roll ever. And of course, time to test this baby. We are here with the lobster expert, Chef Luca from Hyderabad, India. Look at that. Very nice. Actually, it's amazing. The lemon, the mayo is just enough to don't cover the lobster. Make your own, guys.
Amazing.
Unbelievable. The experts say is the best ever. Just say.
My boss is here.
You need to say is the best ever. No.
This is the best. This is the best ever.
Can you show me the lobster?
Okay.
Like this. Yeah?
Okay, sure.
Oh.
The best lobster roll ever.
And Chef Luca,
Chef Luca.
Chef Srikanth.
lobster rolls. The best one. We are the best.
We are the best.
Yes, we are the best.
Make it nice.